Hello again, it's Mr. Burtis here. Today we're going to go ahead and I've got this LED recessed light kit that I'm going to actually replace a light in the kitchen over the kitchen sink from an old incandescent floodlight to a more energy saving light fixture. As always, when you do anything with electrical equipment, first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you actually have the power to that source off. So I have a little tester here that we're going to use, and with this, when I have it, is before I use it, I want to make sure it's still working. So I find a live outlet and you stick it in, and you can hear it. So that's live. So we're going to actually test our light fixture, and then we're going to go ahead and change the light. And as you can see, it's an old style floodlight, uses a lot of electricity. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to unbox it and see what we got. Got our handy dandy instructions. And what's neat about this is just a retrofit. So all this looks like is the end of a screw-on light bulb, which is what I'm taking out, so I don't have to replace the entire unit in the ceiling and mess that all up. We screw this in, and then we'll put this back on. So we're going to go ahead and put this all together and get ready to go. So we've got these torsion spring clips that have to go on. It's 3 little slide plates here. Hold it down. Nice thing with some of these is they have a flip switch on the back, so you can actually change the brightness all the way from 27 to 5000 K. So we're going to set it for this particular one at 4 because it's going to go over the sink. So we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install this, and this clips into the back of the light. Go into the light fixture, find the socket, get that all nice and tight, and we have that to hook up. Spring clips and torsion bars and our ground. So we're going to go ahead and hook that up. If you don't have a hole in there to hook your ground up, you're going to have to drill a hole first, and I've already tapped that. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this up, and it hooks in one way. Until it snaps. Put our screw in for our ground. Go ahead and ground that in on one side. Bring those over so we can get to the other side. Snap that all the way in. Now we have our light in. So now we're going to give it a test. Just went down and turned the breaker back on. So let's see what happens. Turn the switch on. And there's our new light. Using a recessed light fixture and putting in a flush mount LED light. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Burtis on YouTube. And remember, it's free. Free, free, free. And always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.